Why does your scanner show the P0300 engine code? What does it mean? P0300 is a diagnostic trouble code for random or multiple cylinder misfire detector. It indicates that 2 or more cylinders are experiencing misfires, which means 1 or more cylinders are not firing properly and causing irregular combustion. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: worn or fouled spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, clogged or dirty fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, vacuum leaks, excessive carbon buildup, malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, timing issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code comes in various vehicles, mostly comes in Toyota, Chevrolet, Nissan, Ford, and Dodge. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.